Why going to the gym is more important for women than men. Now, that might sound like a bold statement, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why we say this. We'll cover physical benefits, emotional strength, hormonal balance, bone health, aging prevention, and more. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we talk health, fitness, and everything in between. Today's topic is powerful, eye-opening, and absolutely vital for every woman out there. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's deep dive into one of the most empowering conversations of your life. Segment 1. Breaking the myths. Let's start by busting the biggest myths that stop many women from stepping into the gym. Myth 1. Women will get bulky from lifting weights. Myth 2. Cardio is enough for women. Myth 3. The gym is only for men. False. 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 Women actually have lower testosterone levels, so bulking is highly unlikely unless that's the goal. Cardio is good, but strength training in the gym helps sculpt, tone, and empower the female body in a way cardio alone can't. In modern science and wellness, the gym is for everyone, but women have even more to gain. Segment 2. Unique female physiology. Let's talk biology. Women have a unique hormonal makeup, higher estrogen, lower testosterone, and cyclical hormonal changes every month. These impact metabolism, strength, and mood. Regular gym workouts help regulate PMS symptoms, mood swings, menopause symptoms, menstrual cycle regulation, estrogen-progesterone balance, PCOS symptoms, perimenopausal and menopausal issues. Working out builds resilience. Lifting weights and doing resistance exercises improves estrogen balance, reduce menstrual cramps, lower stress, and stabilize mood swings. Segment 3. Bone density and muscle mass. Osteoporosis is 4 times more common in women. Women start losing bone density as early as their 30s. After menopause, estrogen drops, leading to faster bone loss. Strength training combats this. Gym workouts, especially resistance training and weight-bearing exercises, strengthen bones and reduce this risk drastically. Stronger muscles protect joints and improve posture. Every gym session is an investment in preventing fractures, falls, and long-term mobility issues. Segment 4. Mental health and confidence. The gym isn't just about the body, it's about the mind. Women face unique mental health pressures, body image, emotional labor, societal expectations. Gym workouts are proven to release endorphins, happy hormones, lower cortisol, stress hormone, improve body image, fight anxiety and depression, boost self-esteem. It's not just about how you look, it's about how you feel, empowered, capable, strong. A confident woman is unstoppable, and building physical strength leads to emotional empowerment. Segment 5. Body composition and aging gracefully. Men lose fat faster due to testosterone. Women often gain fat around hips, thighs due to estrogen. Women lose about 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade after age 30. This means slower metabolism, more fat gain, and decreased mobility. But strength training in the gym reverses that. The gym helps by increasing lean muscle mass, boosting metabolism, reducing fat. Muscle is metabolically active, burns more calories at rest, making fat loss easier over time. This is where gym becomes medicine. It keeps you young, mobile, agile, and full of life well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Segment 6. PCOS, thyroid, and hormonal disorders. 1 in 5 women suffer from PCOS, a hormonal disorder that can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and irregular periods. Regular gym workouts, especially strength training and HIIT, help manage PCOS by improving insulin sensitivity, balancing androgen levels, reducing abdominal fat. Thyroid. Regular strength training boosts metabolism in hypothyroidism. Menstrual health. Resistance and HIIT training improve hormonal balance. Women with hormonal disorders often feel stuck. The gym is one of the most effective tools to take control. Segment 8. How to start. Wondering how to begin? Here's your beginner's guide. Start with 2 to 3 days a week. Combine strength training with light cardio. Learn proper form. Hire a trainer if needed. Track progress through pictures, not the scale. Stay consistent for 30 days. Watch your mindset change. Start small. Just begin. You don't need to lift heavy today. You just need to begin. To every woman watching, this is your time, your strength, your life. The gym isn't a place just for men. It's a sacred space for transformation, for healing, and for empowerment. The gym isn't a masculine space. It's a sanctuary for every woman who wants to take charge of her body, her health, and her destiny. You're not too old. You're not too weak. You're not too late. Make that first step today. You deserve it. Thank you so much. If this video empowered you even a little, please like, subscribe, and share it with another amazing woman in your life. Stay strong. Stay beautiful. See you in the next video.